Hi, I'm Billy Bailey with 2 Egg TV. Today we're continuing our series on edible and medicinal plants that you can find right in your very backyard. And today we're learning about wood sorrel. And this is what we're looking for right here, is the wood sorrel. And you may say, well, that looks like a clover. Well, you're close, and clovers are also edible. However, there's a difference. The clover does not have this cordate leaflet here. The clover is actually just more round. It does not have that heart-shaped appearance. But as I mentioned, the clover is edible as well. It just doesn't have much of a flavor. Sorrel, although similar, it has the cordate or heart-shaped leaflet. It actually has a lot of flavor. Not only is it packed full of vitamins and minerals, especially high in vitamin A, it has oxalic acid. Oxalic acid is that lemon-like twang that gives most citrus its specific flavor. Being that it has that lemon-like flavor, it's good to use, and you can dice it and season fish with it. It also makes a very aromatic tea. And this is the wood sorrel. Again, I'm Billy Bailey with 2 Egg TV. However, you may not know that a stinging nettle is actually a superfood. It is one of the most nutritious